Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the MongoDB Fast API. Today we are going to learn CRUD operations using Fast API and the MongoDB. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we are going to take a demo. What is how to create the user, update, delete and fetch. Okay, so let's have a look. So first of all, create user. So here I'm going to create the user first. So string would be, I will put my name Rajnikant, and age would be whatever we can make it 25, and let's execute it. And here you can see that the user created with the ID. Let's check the MongoDB. 20 record is added and the ID is 47, and here it's 47. That means user is created, and the name you can see that, right? The next one that we have the get all users list. So let's try it out also. So here you can see that we have this one list of the users, and the last user that we have created, that is also there. Okay, next step, that is get by ID. So here this detail I want to fetch. So here we go with the get user by ID. So let's try it out with the user ID, and let's execute this. And here we go with the record, right? So let's scroll down, and here you can see that this is the record. Okay, next one that we go with the put request. So I'm going to update a record. So here I'm going to try it out with my user ID I need to put, and here request body. So let's add the request body would be Rajni, and here we will add the age to be whatever you can send. Let's execute this, and here we go with that user updated. Let's go to the user collection and 20 record Rajni and the 30. It's updated. Okay, next one, that is delete one. Okay, so let's put the ID over here and delete this record. Okay, so let's add this and execute this query, and you will get that the user deleted successfully. If I go to that my collections and scroll, this 20 record is removed. Okay, so this is full-fledged CRUD operations. Let's dive into the code level. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video, right? So somebody don't like it, or even don't like the button or even comment it. So let's move on. So we have you need to install the pymongo if you haven't installed. Okay, because in the last video we have talked about this one. Okay, fast app we have to import from the fast API, that is http exception path and the depends. Parenting model we have to use, and bison object ID we have to import. Okay, next initialize with the fast API. Here we have the mongodb URI. This is the mongo client to connect. Okay, client dot get database. Okay, next here we are defining the user collection in the database, that is user. Now we have a pydantic model for the user data schema. So here we have added the schema. Without this you are unable to get this schema. So here you can see that I'm getting this schema by predefined, this one. So that is done by this one user model. Okay, so here we have a get current assess the database object with this. So we are going to use this in the later one. Okay, so first one, that is insert a record. So convert the parenting model to the dictionary, and user dot collection dot insert one with the user dictionary. It will insert the record and return the inserted ID, right? So use the dependency in your endpoint. So here I'm using the dependencies. Here you can see the depends on get current. Okay, so create user endpoint, insert user, we have called this function insert, and we are sending the user model data in the format name and the age. Okay, and it will return the user ID. Here you can see that. So this function will return user ID, last inserted ID, and here we are just showing in the response. Next, endpoint to get all the users. So here we have the get all users. DB MongoDB client depends on get current database. Okay, users collection dot find. So user list we are appending the user and return that one. Okay, object here we are converting the object ID to the string, else it will giving me the error. Okay, endpoint to get the user by ID. So here you can see that the user ID we required, and MongoDB depends on the client. So database SS over there. Now find one with the object ID we are going to find, right? If the user Then we are going to convert the object id to string and return else http exception, that the user not found. Next one, that is endpoint to update by the user id. So here we have the user and here we expect the user id as a parameter. Okay, so here we have the user model. So this is the parenting model that we accept the in format. So here we will use model dump. Sorry, just control Z. Dictionary is omitted. So here we have to use the model dump, right? So just add this model dump. Okay, so here we have a string that is path and the MongoDB depends on the current database. Okay, so user data model convert the user ID to the objects with the help of this. Okay, and result user dot collection update one, with where you have to update with the object id and the set user dictionary. So whatever user dictionary we have, that is name and the age, so it will come over here and we are going to set that one, right? So if the result modify count is 1, that means the updated user successfully, else something went wrong or the user not found with the respective id. Okay, the last point, that is the endpoint to delete by the user id. So here we require the object id again with the same one, depends on the get current database. So this is dependency injection. So if you don't know about the dependency injection, please watch my videos, otherwise you are not able to get it right. Okay, so here delete one with the object id. If the deleted count is 1, then we are showing the message that the user deleted successfully, else http exception status code 400, that the user not found. Okay, so this is full-fledged CRUD operation using MongoDB in FastAPI. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.